Hello students, class 12th. Today I am going to describe summary of fourth lesson from Flamingo, and that fourth lesson is The Rat Trap, written by Swedish writer Selma Lagerlöf. This Swedish writer's writings theme is social and universal. A universal theme or social and moral theme prevails during the whole writing in whole chapter of the writing of this writer, that is the Selma Lagerlöf. This rat trap lesson, writer has presented the universal theme, like how one gets befall upon misfortune, or how one can prone to fall into the trap of material benefit, or how one can break the belief and faith of someone only for petty material gain, or how one can fall into prey due to adverse and poor condition, and overall how one deviated person or one person who is deviated, who is on wrong path, can be redeemed, can be brought back by showing love, affection towards him, by showing kindness towards him. This is the universal theme, and as all these themes prevail in the society, in your, my, or everyone's life, what happens? We people of this world break off the belief of someone else for the pity thing, pity material gain. We can deceive, we can cheat anyone, we can deviate from the right path towards the wrong path for the little bit gain, petty gain, material gain. So all these are the theme in this story, The Rat Trap, also written by the Selma Lagerlöf. And now this story starts with the three characters. Actually, writer has created here three characters named a crafter, an old crafter man. Secondly, an iron man who has been captain in army on the ship, and also the wilder son, that is the daughter of the iron man. Daughter of the iron man, that is the captain of the ship. And all these three characters has been presented here metaphorically. Generally we find as a normal character, if we literally see towards all these characters, they present nothing except that daughter of the iron man. But if we look towards all these three characters metaphorically, allegorically, that is in lakshanik way, sanketik way, then we find a deep sense, deep meaning related to all these characters in this whole lesson. Story starts with the peddler who is poor person with ragged dress, clothes, and he used to sell the rat traps. Do you know what is rat trap? Rat trap means chuhetani, and title of this lesson, Rat Trap, is itself an allegorical, in allegorical language or metaphorical, लाक्षणिक रूपक के सेंस में प्रेजेंट किया गया है. Means this rat trap means You find in your house also that mouse enters into rat trap, being tempted by a petty material to be eaten as meal or food, and after entering, as soon as that mouse touches that tempted material, tempted bait, meanwhile the door of the, yeah, lid of the rat trap falls on him and thus closes in that mouse, and after that the whole world becomes at the end for that mouse. His life is gone. In same way, this rat trap is here presenting for the this world, this society. And all these three, particularly this person peddler who is selling rat traps by making thin wires, is a type of rat who is caught in the rat trap, being befooled by the tempted bait. बेट मीन्स होता है चारा डालना किसी को फंसाने के लिए। टेम्पटेड मीन्स होता है आकर्षित करना, ललचाना, यानी ऐसा चारा डालना जिससे कि कोई आकर्षित होकर लालच में पड़कर उसकी तरफ आए और आकर जाल में फंस जाए। स्नेयर, SNEARE, स्नेयर मीन्स जाल, नेट। एंड इन डूइंग सो that peddler used to sell rat traps, and one evening what does he do? He is drudging, means going on a road, along with the road, and going, he usually used to think about this world, about surroundings, and whenever he thinks negatively about all these, because this world has been painful for him. So he thinks, whenever he thinks about this, he thinks negatively about all these. On that day also, that person, peddler, rat trapper, the person who sells rat trap is called rat trapper or making. He is going by thinking all these incidents about world, and in doing so, in thinking on his way, suddenly an idea stuck in his mind. And what is that idea? His idea is that this world is a rat trap. This whole world is a rat trap. And the person, each and every one, is like a rat to be tempted towards a bit, or tempted for a bit, and after that to be closed in, and thus the whole world or whole story of life ends for that rat who is tempted on the bait. So he says, the whole world with its lands and seas, its cities and villages was nothing but a big rat trap. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. It offered riches and joy, shelter and food, heat and clothing, exactly as the rat trap offered. Exactly as the, ठीक वैसे ही जैसे कि, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork, and as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. He says in this, peddler thinks that this world is a rat trap with the joys, happiness, money, riches, all type of luxurious things this world shows as a bait. And when by being tempted by this bait, anyone goes near to bed and tries to touch this bed. Meanwhile, this rat trap, lid of rat trap, falls on in him. मीन्स फॉल्स ऑन इन हिम का मतलब कि वह अंदर है तभी यह लिड जो है बंद हो जाता है. एंड दस द पर्सन हु इज टेम्पटेड टुवर्ड्स बेड loses each and every chance to come out, to be free himself, to set himself free, and thus becomes a victim, becomes prey, that is shikar, vivash of this rat trap. And after becoming prey, victim, the sense of life goes for such one, each and every one. In doing so, when this peddler thinking, he is plodding, means going forward and forward. Time has passed. Time is at the time of evening. Night is falling on, coming on near to. Meanwhile, this peddler sees a hut in the way, and he comes to know, he guesses that someone is there living inside of the hut. So though time is going to be late, going to night, so he decides to stay in that hut or at that hut. When he reaches at the door of the hut, knocks on the door, knocks at the door, whatever you can say preposition. And when he knocks, a poor old man who is the crafter opens the door. The peddler is thinking during the knocking of the door that, like other social people, like other worldly people, if anyone might be inside, he will not be happy seeing him. उसे देखकर वह प्रसन्न नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अदर पीपल जैसे उसे देखते हैं और फिर दरवाजे शो द वे टू द डोर, उसके लिए दरवाजे का रास्ता दिखा देते हैं, चले जाने को कहते हैं. सेम वे ही इज एक्सपेक्टिंग ही आल्सो, बट व्हेन दैट ओल्ड मैन ओपन्स द डोर and finding a human being before him, he believes on him and becomes happy, because that old man is also all alone like this peddler. And he finds that this guest person, peddler, guest person, unknown person, will be my guest, and thus this whole night, today's whole night is going to be cheerful. He shall, this Miss Craftman, old man thinks that he shall not to pass his night in alone. उसे अपनी रात अकेले में नहीं बितानी पड़ेगी, और सोच करके he becomes happy and gives shelter to peddler, serves food, meal, porridge, etc. cheerfully as one serves for his guest. Peddler and that old man take their night meal, and after that they go to sleep. But before going to sleep, that person, old crafter, starts to introduce himself before peddler. And during conversation, crafter tells peddler, that is the seller of rat trap, that he had been a worker in iron mill, but due to old age he was unable to do hard work, so he remains at his home, and he has a cow. He used to sell his milk. Creamery work is also done by him, and thus that cow and cow's milk is the source of his income. And also he shows the money which is in pouch put by him to the peddler, that this is the 30, not shows, he only opens the text, that pouch hanging from the nail in his hand, opens and takes in his hand, puts out the 30 kronos earned by the milk, selling of the milk, and thus without saying anything, means he says nothing, and again puts the whole money into the pouch, and after that again he hangs on the nail at the same place on the window. And when he hangs, peddler sees all things, and seeing that he becomes tempted towards that bet. Here narrator has presented as a bet that money, and this person, old crofter, is a world for him, society for the peddler, rat trap seller. He says nothing, only presents, shows money by taking in his hand, says nothing, again puts into. What is needed to open that money before him? He only tempts to bet that peddler, वह केवल प्रयास करता है उसे फंसाने का, शिकार का चारा डालने का. एंड थ्रू दिस कैरेक्टर ऑफ ओल्ड क्रॉफ्टर, राइटर हैज ट्राइड टू शो that how one is tempted by these worldly things, worldly people, how one should be cautious, how one should not break off his, her, or one's own principle ideas by seeing simple, petty materialistic things. But here, peddler, that is that trap seller, becomes tempted towards the money. Greed arises in his heart. Now both of them, after putting that money on the nail, sleep. In early morning, both wake up. The old crofter goes to milk his cow, and peddler also goes to his own way. But the crofterman really goes to milk his cow, but this peddler returns back after half an hour. And when he returns, he does not go to the door to enter into the room. But what does he do? He smashes the window pane. वह खिड़की का जो पटल है उसे स्मैश, तोड़ देता है by fist, with the help of fist, and enters into his hand and takes the pouch of the money from the nail, and after taking the pouch outside of the window, he puts out the whole money thrust into his pocket, and again hangs back that pouch carefully on the nail, and thus goes away. When he goes away, he is realizing happy that he has committed something good. But after near about 1 hour, he thinks that having lot of such money, it is not safe him to go along the main roads. He should turn in the woods, that is in the jungle. And he does so. He turns into the jungle, wood. After proceeding in the woods for some time, he realizes that he has committed fault. And meanwhile, night is also falling on the woods. So he starts to realize that now he has become victim. He has tempted by old crofter by showing the money, that is 30 kronos, and he himself has made victim of that 30 kronos by stealing, and now he has come in the rat trap, and he is the rat. वह सोचता है कि अरे मैंने तो चोरी कर लिया, अब वह पैसा लेकर मैंने बहुत बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी कर दी, अब तो मैं एक चूहे की तरह हो गया, जैसे कि यह चूहा एक पूरे इस संसार रूपी चूहेदानी में एक चूहे की तरह फंस गया है, अब मैं बाहर नहीं आ सकता. I have committed sin. And thus thinking so, he tries to go to and fro to come out from the wood, but after wandering lot of time, he finds that no, he has actually entangled in this rat trap in this wood. its logs, leaves, trees, shrubs, all these are the traps for him, beds for him. He has entangled here, he can't go outside, and being tired up to death, एकदम दिनहीन थक करके, he sits on the ground hopelessly, dejectedly. Then suddenly he realizes that something is being bitten, something noise is coming from somewhere, and after guessing lot of, he finds that near is somewhere iron mill. So he summons all his might and anyhow proceeds towards that iron mill. The night is going to be hell. Time is of winter season. So anyhow he wants to warm himself. When he goes near the iron mill, he finds mill flaming, forks, etc. Heat is there, furnace is there. So he goes there and he finds lot of noise. There is a man iron smith is there, but he does not care towards that peddler due to much noise around him. But anyhow this peddler reaches near to that iron smith. Then iron smith observes him from tail to head, toe to head, and after it again starts to work. He becomes busy in his work. Then this peddler, rat trapper, the person who is selling rat trap is going there, standing there, asks permission to stay there for whole night. Now that main iron smith, master iron smith, does not approve his question in words, yet he accepts his request by nodding his head in affirmative. And after in doing so, he becomes busy. This person peddler is standing near the furnace and वार्मिंग हिज ड्रेंच्ड क्लोथ्स, भीगे हुए कपड़ों को जो है, वेट क्लोथ्स को जो है, ड्रेंच में सराबोर पानी से, वेट में भीगे हुए. तो दिस पेडलर इज ट्राइंग टू ड्राई his clothes with the flame of fire, and meanwhile the iron mill master owner comes there. As usually, he comes for the purpose of inspection. On same way, he comes there also, but in flames of fire, he sees that person, peddler, and mistakenly, due to sudden flash, he understands or takes that peddler as his old comrade on the ship. So he suggests him that Mr. O'Neill, you are here, you should not resign from regiment. तुम्हें जो है रेजिमेंट से रिजाइन नहीं देना चाहिए था. यह समझता है जो आयरन मालिक है, मिल है मालिक है, ऑनर है, यह जो है मेरा पुराना दोस्त है. सो ही सजेस्ट ऐसा इन सेम वे सजेस्ट हिम. बट this peddler is knowing very well that this person, mill owner, is under mistake. Yet he does not want to lose the opportunity. He says nothing. Only says that things are going to downhill for him. इसको कहता है कि इस समय मैं दुर्भाग्य में चला हूँ, मेरे भाग्य जो है बहुत नीचे है. पेडलर says. Iron master says, okay, forget this. Come with me to my home. And when peddler hears this, he gets suspected that by accepting the offer to go at the mill owner, it would be same as to send in the den of the lion to himself. यह पेडलर सोचता है कि अगर मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लिया घर जाना, तो कहीं ना कहीं खुद को शेर की गुफा में डालने के बराबर हो जाएगा. इट विल बी इक्वल टू सेंड हिमसेल्फ और सेल्फ टू द लायंस den, because at home, when they will reach at home, Iron or Mill Honor will recognize him that he is not his old comrade, and more than this, he has committed theft. He might be caught there also. So he rejected. No, no, no. Mill Honor requested for many time, but he rejected by saying no, no, no. And ultimately, Mill Honor goes back to his home without the peddler. And after going there, he sends his daughter by describing the whole condition. And his daughter comes and finds that peddler is lying on the ground by putting hat over his eyes and taking rest there. And thus she comes near to peddler, removes the hat over the eyes, and says to come with her to the home. Now this lady, Edla Wilmanson, is kind-hearted. She loves humanity. So peddler sees her and becomes ready that this lady seems like a kind lady. Goes with her to home. There, the valet of Mill Honor trims his hair, shaves his shave, and other well-mannered takes bath there. And after taking bath, he comes out from the bathroom in the dress of the Mill Honor. And when Mill Honor sees him, then there recognizes him that he is not his own old friend of the ship. Then Mill Honor gets angry. Here again, Mill Honor is symbolizing as a rat trap, चूहेदानी. By going there, this peddler gets entangled. Mill Honor gets angry and shows how unbelievable, uncertain, how momentary the relationship of the human being, of the human race. दोनों के बीच इतना अच्छा संबंध है. वो कितने गट्स से अपनी लड़की को भेजकर बुलवाता है. जब थोड़ा सा रिकॉग्नाइज कर जाता है तो नाराज हो जाता है. He orders him to go out from home as soon as be possible. जबकि अगर नहीं पहचान रहे हो, ठीक है, एक ह्यूमन बीइंग के नाते, एक मानव के नाते, he should keep him with him them for a moment. That Mill Honor should behave with the peddler humanly, in good behavior, in kind behavior, and after that he should send out. But no, he gets roar, गर्जने लगता है. Threatens to call sheriff, that is police. And on saying so, threat of the police, peddler gets irritated, strikes with his fist on the table and says in the philosophical language that Mr. Mill Honor, you don't know what type of this world is. This world is like a rat trap, and we are like you also are tempted by the bait, and whenever we get tempted towards bait, we get in the rat trap, and thus everyone's story becomes end. And if you will send me to the jail by calling police, one day you will also be tempted and trapped by the rat trap. और यदि मैं जेल चला जाता हूँ तो एक दिन तुम भी इस रैट ट्रैप में फंसना ही फंसना है. इसके चक्कर में आओगे, लालच में पड़ोगे, और एक दिन तुम्हें भी इस चूहेदानी में बंद होकर सारा खेल तुम्हारा खत्म हो जाएगा. यू विल गो टू द एंड. Having heard this, Mill Honor laughs, but in anger he orders to peddler to go out. Peddler is ready. He says that yes, I am ready. I never pretended to be your comrade. You are under mistake. I never pretend. And more than this, what is hell to go? I am ready. Miss Peddler says that he is ready to put on again his ragged clothes and to go out from there. When he is about to go, the Adela Wilmanson interrupts between the father and Peddler and says that Peddler will not go. He will stay for a night there with them. Then her father warns her. What is she doing? She says, no, I am knowing very well what is I am doing. What am I doing? She says that the whole year this person wanders to and fro, and there is no place in this whole world for him to stay for a moment peacefully. Everybody shows him the door, way of the door. हर कोई इसे रास्ता दिखाता है, अपने यहाँ से भगाता है. इसके पास कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं है जहाँ वह शांति से एक क्षण के लिए रह सके. So this peddler, this unknown person will stay with us, and more than this, we have promised him to pass the Christmas night with us, to cheer up the whole Christmas night with us. So he will stay with us for the Christmas night, and after that he will go. And after saying so, that Adela Wilmanson takes that peddler by hand and makes a sit on the chair and says, eat the meal. Peddler starts to eat, and during whole eating, he looks towards the girl, finds the kindness, embarrassment, soft-heartedness towards that in that girl. And finally, they Miss Iron Mill honor and that his daughter wakes up him many times. He wakes up for a moment, 5-10 minutes, half an hour, and again goes and sleeps. Again wakes, again goes and sleeps on many occasions. Thus he sleeps for 2 days continuously. And the last day of evening, Christmas evening, father and daughter Mill Honor and Adela Wilmanson go to church, and there they hear about the theft committed by the rat trapper, about a old crafter. Having heard this, father says, Mill Honor says to his daughter that yes, that is that person to whom you have left at your home, and now I am thinking that how many teaspoons, silver teaspoons will be left. The daughter also becomes hopeless. Now, when they return back, they asked with their valet, that is servant, about that peddler, and then he says or replies that no, that peddler, that guest has gone, but he has carried nothing more than opposite to this. On the contrary, he has left here something gift for the daughter, mistress, that is Adela Wilmanson. And having heard this, that daughter, that lady, opens the gift. She finds 30 kronos, some gift also, a rat trap as a gift for herself, and a letter also. In that letter, it has been written by that peddler that, honor lady, you have changed me by a by a commando, captain of the ship. You have treated me as a captain of the ship, so your this behavior, kind-heartedness, lift up me to the captain and compelled me to give up and brought me from the rat trap. आपका जो काइंड व्यवहार है वह मुझे इस चूहेदानी से बाहर लाया, अन्यथा मैं इसी चूहेदानी में, अदरवाइज आई शैल रिमेन इन सेम rat trap forever. So thanks for that, and also you have treated me kindly on the Christmas and whole time. So I want to be sincere towards you. मैं तुम्हारे प्रति ईमानदार होना चाहता हूँ. This is the 30 chromos which belongs to the old craftsman. So you should return it, and in doing so you will help me, and in doing so you will lift me from the craft, release me from the craft and this rat trap. उसके कर्ज से, क्राफ्ट के जो है, एंड इस चूहेदानी जिसमें मैं बंध चुका हूँ, इस दोनों से अगर आप पैसे उसका वापस कर देंगे तो मैं आज़ाद हो जाऊंगा. और दिस, एंड फर्दर ही राइट्स दैट दिस रैट ट्रैप, दैट इज दिस चूहेदानी इज फॉर you. This rat trap is for you as a gift by a rat. And finally he signs at the last bottom of the letter as his name, Van Stehelson, etc. And thus story ends. Now this whole story runs in this way literally, but this whole character presents allegorical, metaphorical, symbolic character. The old man crafter, iron mill owner, that is the captain of the ship, both are here working as the tempt to bet to the peddler, to the poor person, to the poor people. ये जो है इस टाइप के जो लोग हैं, क्राफ्टर, दैट इज दैट ओल्ड मैन एंड दिस आयरन मास्टर मिल ऑनर, ये दोनों जो हैं एक बेट, अनाज डाल करके जाल बिछाने वाले ये लोग हैं. एंड पुअर पीपुल, अननोन पीपुल गेट इंटेंगल देयर इन द नेट. And thus, due to such people, the humanity suffers. They himself become entangled in the rat trap and in the net, and also entangles others also. This kind lady is the symbol of love, affection, kind-heartedness, supportiveness. And through this lady, writer has tried to show that how a kind lady, how a kindness can redeem a wrongdoer, a wrong path person on the right way. How can one be turned on the right path in the right way? By giving him love, affection, its kindness, etc. Thank you. If any problem occurs, then contact me.